In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Capcut in Arabic. If you've been wanting to incorporate Arabic text into your Capcut projects, you're in the right place. Stay with me for the next few minutes and we'll go step by step through this simple process. To start, the first thing you need to do is configure your device's keyboard settings. Head over to your device's settings menu and find the General section. Within that, you'll see an option labeled Keyboard. Click into that and you'll find another option to add new keyboard. This is where you'll select Arabic from the list of available languages. Doing this ensures that you can easily switch to typing in Arabic whenever you're working in Capcut. Now, with your Arabic keyboard added, it's time to open Capcut and pull up the project you're working on. Once you have your project open in front of you, look down at the toolbar and tap on Text. Here you'll see an option to add text. Go ahead and select that and you'll find yourself in a text box where you can begin typing. Before you start adding Arabic text, there's an important little trick. Look to the bottom left corner of your keyboard for the globe icon. By tapping and holding this icon, you'll bring up a list of your installed keyboards. From there, simply select the Arabic keyboard you've just added. It's a small step but crucial for ensuring your text displays correctly. When your Arabic keyboard is active, you can either paste or type your Arabic text directly into the box. If you've pre-prepared your text, simply paste it in. Otherwise, type it in using the Arabic keyboard layout and the text will appear perfectly. With the words now on the screen, you have the creative freedom to adjust the font, size and style to match the aesthetic of your video. Explore various fonts, tweak the sizes and find the style that conveys your message most effectively. This customization can really make your text pop and integrate well with the rest of your video content. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your text looks, locate the checkmark icon and give it a tap to save your changes. Your text is now ready to be positioned just where you want it on the video. Consider placing it where it complements rather than distracts from the visuals. And there you have it, you've successfully added Arabic text to your Capcut project. With these steps, incorporating Arabic into your videos is not only possible, but also quite straightforward. Whether you're sharing messages with friends or creating content for a larger audience, these techniques will ensure your projects truly resonate. Happy editing!